Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to recover your Memrise account. For this, first of all, open up your Memrise app. As you open up the app, you'll see two options, that is either to sign up by getting started or to log in by tapping on I have an account. To recover your account, tap on I have an account and then tap on sign in with email. As you have to recover your account, tap on I forgot my password. To reset the password, you'll have to enter your email that you have used to create your account. When you're done, tap on reset. Memrise has sent you your password reset request. Go to your Gmail and open up the message sent by Memrise. And now you'll have to tap on reset now. Now enter and confirm your new password. And when you're done, tap submit. Now your password has been set. You can now go back to your app and log in with your new password. Enter your username or email and your password. And when you're done, tap on sign in now. After you tap on it, this way you'll be able to recover your Memrise account. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.